Hi mga mahal! Welcome back to my little vlog. Come with me as I do the things that make me happy. And for today's episode, pupuntahan natin yung second-hand shop and bazaar na lagi kong pinupuntahan. Kung may time kayo, tara, samahan niyo ako!
Dito na ako, dito ko pinark yung nirent kong bike. Tapos, ito yung lugar. Si Renbeg, yung pangalan niya, Renbeg. Ano to, binibenta ng 35 sa akin. 25 ko na lang nakuha. Nakatawad ako. Sobrang ganda. Sa Happy. May mga comics din, oh. Cute. Ako, tag 10 yan isa, pero 18 na lang. Dalawa sila. Wow. Anong Bible? Oops. Wow. Sway oil,
Yeah.
yeah? Ang ganda, oh. Kano kaya ito?
Look at that! Pinayaga! This! Class! 339. Oh, nice! You know, if I would find a painting here, oh my god. Kano to? It's a reasonable price, man. 179. And look at this, oh. 690. I'm showing you the 2,690. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's like IKEA. It's like there's so many showrooms. Like what? It's so nice. Oh my god. 50 euro. I'm showing you the other side of you know, the thrifting. This is a little bit high end, no? Ang ganda. Oh. I want that. 680, not bad. You know, pag furniture talaga na unique, you can really put a lot of money here. It's worth it. This is already sold out. It's like schmick. This is my thing. Oh, this one. See, meron ka pang mga peg-peg ng ano. And this one, oh, I like the lamp. 289. It's not too bad. It's so organized. It's so well put together. This one, I think I will get this one. Steady. Oh, this bar. Wow. Ang ganda. Look, there's another room here. I think I love this one so much. Oh my god. Ito, 30 euro. This is where you put the hat. Look at this. What's that? 65 euro. Even this. Magkano isa? 200? Pag gusto mo na yung house mo retro vintage, this is the place to be. Oh my god. Wow. And also paintings. After visiting his showroom, I gained the utmost respect for this man. The effort he puts into sourcing these vintage pieces is truly remarkable. Every item has its own unique character, and I deeply appreciate his eye for design and taste. I was honestly overwhelmed by the collection and can't wait to go back again. To take it all in, enjoy the atmosphere, and maybe gradually purchase the pieces I love and can afford over time. My husband also realized that he was actually our old neighbor from our previous neighborhood, which made the experience even more special. He was really kind and welcoming. So if you love vintage treasure and timeless pieces, please give his Instagram page, Vintage Store Dortmund, a follow and show your support. Hi! Ito isa sa mga paborito kong part kasi ang daming unique pieces ng mga plates, glasses. Tingnan nyo. Gaganda. Tingnan mo yung side na to. Nilinis nila ng sobra, mahal. Grabe, must been really hard to clean this. Must have been really hard to clean this eh. Tingnan mo to, ang ganda nito oh. Yung blue. €1 isa. Oh, ito naman iba, electronics. Nice. This is new. Wow. Ito yung favorite part ko ng lugar na to. Maraming paintings. Hi. Nandito lahat. Pero parang wala silang bago. Wala silang masyadong bago. Marami na rin kaming nalagay na gamit dito kasi pwede kang magdala ng gamit dito and iwan dito. And bahala na sila magbenta nun. So, kung may mga gamit kayo na ayaw nyo na at pampasikip na sa bahay nyo, pwede nyo rin siyang dalhin dito.
I was watching some board game reviews about older games, and I remember this because it's in English. It's an English channel, but the title is German, and he was saying it in German. And this is Game of the Year 1990, and this looks like a really old edition. And the editor of this game here is also really known. And this is only €4. Yeah. I think this is a gem.
Tapos, tingnan nyo. May furnitures din. Sobrang nice. Tingnan nyo naman to kung gaano karaming wine glasses, Zek glasses. Ang dami. Nako, yung gamit namin dati, nalagay na dito. Yung ito din akin to. Yung mga dinonate namin, naka-display na. Yung ibang deco. Yung iba hindi ko na makita eh. Baka nakuha na. Pero yeah, I think I'm getting this. It's heavy. Looks nice. Yeah. You know, yung nakakatakot lang kasi pag gusto mo siya ngayon, hindi mo siya makikita next time kasi may kumuha na. So, either kunin mo na siya ngayon or you'll never see this again. Aray, 70. Wala siya sa budget ko. Ito yung mga gusto kong plates. Kaya lang, here, €10, €10. For me, mahal siya. Pero talaga yung mga pricing nito. Kaya lang, pupunta ako sa mga bazaar. Mas mura yun siya kasi wala silang rent na binabayaran. Or sobrang konti lang nung binabayaran nila. Gusto ko to sinasabit sa wall. Kaso hindi ko afford yan. Kaya nga ako nagpunta dito para makamura. Grabe. Diba 22? Tapos ito 4 at saka 5. Tapos bigyan niya kami free. Tapos sabi niya 20 na lang yung bayaran namin. Yung bait niya. Pero ginawa namin 25 kasi nakakahiya naman. Pero grabe, sobrang bait niya. And that's all for today's episode. Sobrang na-enjoy ko tong vlog na to kasi napakita ko sa inyo yung mga gusto kong binibili sa Flumart, sa mga second-hand store. And also, mabait yung tao sa loob. Halos libre ko nang nakuha yung iba namin gamit. Halos ito na lang yung binayaran namin. So, it gives you good feeling. So, yeah. It's good to end my vlog. So, kung nagustuhan nyo tong vlog na to, please follow me. This is Canderio Studio. Thanks for watching.